Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Pool Vacuum is probably one of the most essential tools for above-ground pool owners. Keeping your pool clean can be a real chore, but with the right vacuum, you can effortlessly remove dirt, debris, and algae, ensuring your pool is always ready for a refreshing swim. In this video, we'll dive into the top pool vacuums, helping you choose the perfect one to keep your pool sparkling. Number 5. Bestway 58233E Above Ground Pool Surface Skimmer. Introducing the Bestway Surface Skimmer. It attaches to your pool's filter pump for automatic cleaning. This device does the hard work, so you can relax and enjoy your pool. Simply place it over the pool edge. It filters out leaves and floating debris before they sink. This keeps your pool clean and inviting. Removing the inner filter basket is easy. You can quickly dump the collected debris into the trash. This makes maintenance a breeze. For best results, use it with above-ground pools. Make sure your filter pumps have flow rates of 530 GPH or more. This ensures the skimmer works effectively. With this automatic cleaning system, you save time. You can spend more time having fun instead of manually cleaning your pool. It's all about convenience. What we like. This surface skimmer attaches directly to your existing filter pump, providing continuous cleaning without any extra effort. It efficiently removes leaves and debris before they sink. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to keep your pool surface clean and enjoy more time swimming, this is a great choice. What people say. Working great. In less than a few hours, no bugs or grass on the top of my pool. I purchased this skimmer for my Coleman steel pool, and boy, am I glad I did. First, the skimmer package comes with two different mounting clamps, one for the ring of an inflatable pool, and the other a clamp for a steel pool with round top rails. Number 4. Bestway 58237 Pool Cleaning Vacuum and Accessories Kit. Keep your pool sparkling with this kit. It includes a vacuum and skimmer net to tackle dirt and debris. Interchangeable heads make switching between tasks a breeze. The surface skimmer attaches to your pool wall for automatic cleaning. It removes leaves, hair, and dirt before they sink. This helps keep your pool water clean. Say goodbye to manual scrubbing. This kit offers a simple solution for cleaning your pool. The skimmer connects to your filter pump for automatic suction. The included 9-foot pole lets you reach every corner of your pool. It's perfect for above-ground pools up to 15 feet in diameter. This makes cleaning those hard-to-reach spots easy. Forget about batteries or charging. Simply connect the hose to your filter pump. This lightweight vacuum provides powerful cleaning, and it's an affordable alternative to those bulky robot cleaners. What we like. This kit combines a vacuum and skimmer, offering a comprehensive cleaning solution for your above-ground pool. The interchangeable heads allow you to switch between tasks effortlessly. If you have a pool with hard-to-reach areas or prefer a simple, all-in-one cleaning solution, it's perfect for you. What people say. The skimmer basket is fantastic. So for those paces alone it was worth the money. Vacuum head is nicer than expected as well as the pole. Much sturdier than the cheap one with my Bestway Power Steel 18-foot pool. The skimmer has a 38mm, the sauger a 32mm hose. The skimmer works 1A. We have no more dirt on the surface. Small foreign objects are sucked in by the pump sooner or later. The filter basket is too coarse for small insects, etc. With the sauger you have to work slowly. You must not stir up the dirt particles on the floor, but must move the sauger slowly. The additional filter screen is a good indicator of success. Important, fill the hose with water beforehand. At least I have to do that, otherwise the pump simply does not suck in any water. You can of course also scrub the floor with it, but when scrubbing too many small particles are swirled up. Scrubbing and vacuuming are two work processes. The vacuum works well. I highly rate this product and would definitely buy again. Number 3. Bestway Flowclear Automatic Pool Surface Skimmer. Introducing the Bestway Flowclear Pool Surface Skimmer. This is your solution for keeping your above-ground pool sparkling clean. It efficiently removes debris, so you can enjoy a pristine pool. Setting it up is a breeze. Just hook it over the pool wall near the suction inlet and connect it to your filter pump. It's that simple to get started. The adjustable bracket ensures the skimmer stays level with the water. It automatically collects leaves and other floating debris, ensuring your pool stays inviting. Made from corrosion-proof plastic, it's built to last. Emptying the skimmer is easy, so you can quickly get it back to work, keeping your pool clean. This skimmer is recommended for all Bestway above-ground pools, except for steel wall pools. It's the perfect companion for a crystal clear pool. What we like. This surface skimmer automatically removes debris, keeping your pool water crystal clear. It's designed for easy installation and is built to last with corrosion-proof materials. If you value convenience and durability in your pool cleaning equipment, this is the one for you. What people say. Works amazingly well. Works great, just have to make little adjustments on height as water level goes down, gets everything on top of water. Works good, connects to outlet that feeds the filter pump. Number 2. Intex 28003E Deluxe Pool Maintenance Kit. Introducing the Intex Deluxe Pool Maintenance Kit. It includes everything you need to keep your pool clean and safe. This kit is designed for pools with a minimum flow rate of 800 GPH. The vacuum uses your filter pump for extra suction. It easily cleans the surface, floor, and walls of your pool. This makes maintaining your pool a breeze. The kit includes a 110-inch adjustable telescoping pole. It's perfect for larger pools, making it easy to reach every area. This pole is ideal for pools 18 feet in diameter or larger. Use the curved wall brush to remove algae and grime. The scrubber vacuum is also great for cleaning pool walls. This ensures a clean and inviting pool. The kit includes a leaf rake, wall brush, vacuum head, scrubber vacuum, telescoping pole, and a 24-foot hose. It has all the tools you need for comprehensive pool maintenance. What we like. This deluxe kit includes a vacuum, brush, and net, providing a complete cleaning solution. It features a powerful vacuum that attaches to your filter pump for extra suction. If you have a larger above-ground pool and need a comprehensive cleaning kit, it will be a great choice. What people say. The pole is really heavy-duty, with 2 separate sections to lengthen it. That keeps it nice and sturdy. And it's thick. This holds all the dirt and pine needles in a bag, which is inside a housing that then sucks the water through to the filter. I used the vacuum head without the brushes first. Do you see how fast that little head did that, smiley face, and without making it a mess and floating all over? Number 1. Intex 28002E Pool Cleaning Kit. Maintaining a clean pool is easy with this kit. It includes everything you need to keep your above-ground pool in top condition. The vacuum head attaches to your garden hose, making cleaning a breeze. It effectively removes debris from the pool floor, and the reusable bag makes it convenient to use. This surface skimmer quickly removes leaves and other floating debris. The durable mesh net ensures efficient cleaning, keeping your pool water clear. The included 94-inch telescoping aluminum pole extends your reach. It's compatible with both the vacuum and skimmer, making it ideal for smaller pools. This kit is designed for above-ground pools and is easy to use and store. It's a great way to keep your pool clean and ready for fun. What we like. This kit includes a vacuum and surface skimmer, ensuring both surface and bottom cleaning. The vacuum attaches to a garden hose and has a reusable debris bag. If you like a simple and effective cleaning solution for your above-ground pool, this is a great choice. What people say. It works extremely well. I am amazed by how much debris is collected in the bag each time I use it. It has a nozzle that points 90 degrees towards the net that blasts water through the net and creates a very noticeable vacuum from the bottom, picking up most anything in its way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.